Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to safely withdraw Matic from your Revolut account to a Tangem wallet. Today, I'll walk you through this step-by-step process so you can do it quickly and securely. Whether you're new to this or just need a refresher, stick around. This guide is straightforward and easy to follow. First off, let's cover the basics. Matic, now part of the Polygon network, is a popular cryptocurrency, and Revolut makes it simple to manage. Your Tangem wallet is a hardware device that keeps your crypto super secure, so transferring to it is a smart move. Before we start, ensure you have your Revolut app updated, some Matic in your account, and your Tangem wallet set up and connected. Step 1. Open the Revolut app on your phone and log in with your usual credentials. Make sure you're on the latest version for 2025 updates. Step 2. Head to the Crypto tab, usually found in the bottom menu or by searching for it. Step 3. Find Matic in your list of holdings and select it. This will bring up your options for managing it. Step 4. Tap on Withdraw or Send. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Step 5. Switch to your Tangem wallet app or device. Generate and copy the Matic wallet address. Double-check that it's for the Polygon network to avoid any errors. Step 6. Paste the address into the Revolut form, then enter the amount of Matic you want to withdraw. Don't forget to review any transaction fees. Step 7. Hit Confirm and authenticate the transaction, probably with your fingerprint or PIN for added security. Once that's done, sit back and wait. Transactions usually take a few minutes, but it could be longer if the network is busy. Pro tip. Always verify wallet addresses to prevent scams, and keep your Tangem wallet offline for maximum protection. There you have it, you've successfully withdrawn your Matic. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop a comment if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.